My name is Raya. My mother is going to make a recipe. Pulikkolambu.
For pulikkolambu, you want to take lady's finger, 20-25 lady's finger, shallots, small onion, and then garlic. You want to take garlic, 6 to 8 pieces of garlic, then tamarind, 1 lemon size tamarind, small lemon size, then half teaspoon of turmeric powder, then coconut, half cup of coconut is enough for this pulikkolambu. Then first you want to make the kolambu powder. For making this kolambu powder, you want dry red chilies, cumin seeds, pepper, and 2 teaspoon of rice. So that's when we want to, this kolambu podi is good for this pulikkolambu. Then at last we want to put some fenugreek. That fenugreek is also very important for this kolambu. Then shallots and mustard and curry leaves. And we want to use this sesame oil for this recipe. First you want to cut the lady's finger. So lady's finger should be cut in this much pieces, like this way. Before frying that lady's finger, first you want to make the kolambu podi. So keep a pan. First you want to go to fry this ingredients. Put some sesame oil, dry red chilies, then cumin seeds. Fry it, salt it for some time, then add the pepper and the rice. So let it salt it for some time. Let it changes the color. And you want to add some coriander powder also, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder. And in the same pan, saute that small onion and garlic. And after sauteing it for some time, add 1 tomato also to that and just saute it for some time till it becomes soft. Then take another pan. So let it be cool for some time. So we want to grind it in the mixer. So take another pan, put some more 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, and we can saute this lady's fingers for some time. Let it changes its color. Saute for some time. Then the meanwhile we can grind that masala powder and the onion and tomato. So I grinded the masala powder. So we can put the onion and tomato together and we can grind it in the mixer. So now it's ready. The mixture is ready. The masala is ready. Now the lady's finger is also ready. Its color changed. Now we can take another pan, put some more sesame oil and put mustard, fenugreek. Then fenugreek also, it's very important ingredient for this recipe. Saute it for some time. Don't become dark color. Put small onion and curry leaves. Let it saute for some time and add some turmeric powder. Saute it for some time. Then we want to add the tamarind also, the tamarind water. Let it boil. Close the pan. Let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Then we can add that masala also, that onion paste, that masala we want to add. Let it boil for some time. Add salt according to your taste. Then boil it for some time. 2 to 3 minutes we can boil. Close it. So meanwhile we can grind the coconut also. After some time, check whether it's boiled now. Now we can add that fried lady's finger also. Then keep it at rest for, close the pan and keep it at rest for 5 minutes. Sim the stove, low flame, put it in low flame and close it for 5 minutes. So like this way the curry is like this way. Now we can pour that coconut paste also inside that and Now we can keep it curry for 2 to 3 minutes. Let it boil for some time. Taste it, check whether salt is enough or not. If you want, you can add some more salt. So in order to balance the sour and saltness, I am adding little sugar into it. Okay, now tasty and delicious pulikolambu is ready to serve. All of you try this recipe.
Delicious. Bye.